Hey, what? This is Little Boss Boy. I mean, not Little Boss Boy. Little Boss Boy is dead, but Griffin Z Pool. And I'm gonna play Pixel Gun 3D again. I hope the blue guy don't kill me again, but that's try not to get killed again. Cause in the last video, I got killed a couple times, but in this video, I won't. All right, loaded. Oh, Nice Boy 2.0 here if you want to talk. He don't want to. Yay. Alright, battle now. We're gonna go to the Walking Fortress again.
Can you help me? What's up?
Wait. I need to record first, then I'll help you. Nice Boy 2.0 said he gonna get he about to make his video today. After this video, his will polish out. He will get his gun after mine. What this? He really just killed me with that small gun. That's no fair. Alright, let's kill him. Let's kill him. Let's kill him. Let's kill him. Where he at? Where he at? Oh, there he is. Payback time. Yeah, got him. Alright, double kill. Double kill. Let's cut their heads off. Yeah, la 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 la.
That was easy.
Come on down, you dirty gals.
Just say it. What is it called?
I forgot.
Bruh, the YouTube thing.
I forgot. Alright.
You lying. It's in something.
MODIZN. Why didn't you tell? Oh, I got a jetpack. I didn't know that.
MOD what?
I. Why you want to ask me now?
IZEN.
I don't know. I forgot.
Hey, you lying.
Oh my.
Which one is it?
It's that one. Why are you asking me early? Why are you asking me now?
I'm gonna do the mirroring.
No, that's not. It's not the mirroring.
It's the screen recording.
Why you asking me now? Why didn't you ask me? Why didn't you ask me before I was recording?
Because my tablet was dead.
I said, did you just look at me with an ugly face? Yeah. Thank God I didn't see it. Yay, Ghost Doug! Alright, let's go. Y'all ain't had to hear that crap. Jeez, man! This guy hard to kill. Oh no, it's not. Big man! Woo! Big man did it again.
Come on.
Yeah, I got a match. Yeah. La, 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 la. Alright, let's go. I kill all these son of a guns. It killed me. Really? The fast death? I'm gonna show you a fast death. I'm gonna show. Are you freaking serious? In our freaking ship. Crippity crap, rap. Come on with that guy. I wasn't done killing him. Man, I thought he even worse from the last video. Crap! How's he shoot me with that little gun? Alright, I quit. Alright, I'm not doing this anymore.
Okay, I need help.
Leave me alone.
I'm only kidding.
7 kills. Oh, let's go!
Hey everybody. Oh, we're doing this shit about me. Hey everybody, my name is Rice World 2.0.
Everybody, look, it's Nice Boy 2.0. Congrats, he's here.
I had a little bit off start. Yeah, it's working now. Oh shoot.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, what else?
Oh crap! It's a bunch of them. It's a bunch of them.
I have all of these cars, but I don't want to reset it because it took me a year to make all this since I didn't really play it all that much.
Hey, bruh. Hey guys, this is Griffin Z Pool. I'm on Nice Boy 2.0. YouTube. You have any multiplayer games you can play? What do you mean you don't feel like it? What? How can you not feel like what? You have it. You know what any multiplayer games? Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's kill these. Crap. Defeated. No. I might be a little quiet because I was. Ooh. Let's see what this does. Yeah, baby.
The heck is that?
The heck are you?
Myself.
Did what?
Myself.
What? The
Myself.
the heck are yourself? I said, leave this video.
Why should I?
Because it's my video. It's not yours.
It is mine now.
Kill Jill.
I don't know how cats are
I'm about to say, dude, why you trying to take over my video so bad? Alright, dude.
Yeah,
Just watch. Oh, goodness. Anyway, guys, we gonna shoot up some braids.
seriously.
Yeah, seriously? What's your problem? Anyway, guys, oh, I got shot up.
Oh yes, I can charge up my phone.
Alright, let's go. Alright, kill him. Alright, go back to the base. No. Alright, kill him. He's in our base. Kill him. Alright, I'm in the wrong base. Freaking base. Cancel. I quit. I freaking quit. I'm gonna go to the gardens of heaven.